Hi, this is a quick demo to show you how to put our data contract from our templates gallery into practice. I'm going to use Soda Cloud user interface to show you how users without much coding expertise can also easily put these contracts to work. We have example data contracts for different uses and industries. So for this demo, I'm going to use a contract for my finance transactions data set. So I'm going to choose this template here. Okay, so you can see we have the YAML code containing a lot of data quality checks. So first, I'll go to Soda Cloud where I have my data set onboarded and click to create contract so that Soda AI can already start scanning the data set to understand its structure. Okay, then I'll simply copy the code from the template, come back here, just waiting a second while it generates the contract structure. And that's it. You can see there are some dataset checks already for a schema. So if you toggle to see code, so the AI already suggested some schema enforcement, but I'll replace this with the template. Attention to leave the correct path to your dataset. So when you replace it, remember to keep it. I'm gonna delete this one. Okay. Now let's toggle back to see the UI here, the checks. So you see there is a problem. The columns don't match because of capitalization. So I have checks that are duplicated. So I'm gonna ask Contract Copilot to help me with that, and then change the column names to uppercase, including my SQL queries. Just a second to see. And done. Okay, so now both code and the UI have the correct columns. Simple as that. Now, before I publish this contract, I want to add a validity check as well for the account ID. So if I come to my account ID, I have checks for missing values and also for validity, for valid, minimal, and maximum length. But I also wanted to match a specific format. So I'll click to add here and choose valid format. I'm gonna just paste the format account ID should follow and the regex to enforce it. And that's it. Check is added here, and it's also added in the YAML file, as you can see. All right. So now let's publish and verify this contract. Okay, so just come here and verify. So everything seems to work, our checks worked, but we have some invalid values per account ID. We need to correct that. So we investigate the problems I have further. So as you could see, any user could leverage a template from Soda Gallery or the contract Copilot or the UI to create checks, and this will help you make sure your data can be trusted.